These big Class A's, I just think, again, waste of time and money at Greyhawk. These things are just huge. They want total show savings 70 grand. They want 140,000 with this pig. Oh my goodness! What do you think?
Very nice.
Yep. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. House on wheels, huh?
Yeah,
That's
really.
about it.
Oh my goodness. They could be a little lighter in here. It's dark.
Yeah, it is.
It'd be kind of nice. It's nuts. No way. But anyways, it got to be a little lighter in here, and then people could actually the hell they're looking at. But it's insane. No way, man. I'm not gonna buy one of these things. No way. Oh goodness. It's crazy. And then we have one over here. That's 15 grand. So these things are crazy. Storyteller. These are nuts. 220. Come on. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. This is 78 grand. That one behind me. Are you nuts? This is not too bad a one, I guess, but this is plausible for 78 grand. I guess if I'm gonna go somewhere for the weekend, but I don't know, man. They have more problem with these bad boys you possibly imagine. So I don't know. Come on aboard, my friend. Come on aboard. You're okay. I'm filming myself. You're okay. I'm gonna cruise on behind you real quick here. That's crazy. And this pig right here. Yeah, okay. I get it's four-wheel drive. I get it. 212 grand. Look at that. I mean, there's no room in here to do anything. You're nuts. It's crazy. This is nuts.
Well, you know, you guys can have a road trip up.
TV right there.
I think it would.
$223,000. Come on.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. At least this one you can move around in. The other one, that four-wheel drive, I get it, but it's still a lot of money. $223,000 this pig? Come on. I don't get it. You know, I've seen plenty of them where they just break down and everything else, and then it's a Ford product or something, and then you have to go through Ford, who built the damn thing, and it's just a bunch of malarkey. It's BS. So, Leisure Travel Wonder 24 MB. Okay. Let's go over here a little bit. Check out some of these over here. Here we go. Here's one before. There's some more of these stupid things right here. It's just nuts. I'm bored. Yep, remember these, you guys? Vintage. We've been in these many times. $30,000 vehicle. It's there. I just can't get enough. I like red. It's my favorite color. I just think it's hilarious. I see people. I drive around the Twin Cities and I see them in storage. You know, people storing them. A lot of blue ones, but. Oh my goodness! Doesn't it make you laugh? It really does. If you'd actually buy one of these, be seen at a. Oh my goodness! But they must. I guess they must. They must sell them if they keep making them. So I don't know. Oh my goodness. But best place to come if you're gonna go on an RV trip. You want to go on and look at RV show, look around, kick the tires, whatever else. But they're fun to go to. You guys saw the ultimate ones. I think it's hilarious that people actually buy these things. But I guess There's another Class A down here. So, oh, here's the. I don't need to go down there. It's a bunch of stuff down there. Look at this big boy right here. So here's another one. This one's 25 grand. Same one, but a little different, I think. The layout, red. Ha! Oh, God. So this is a little different than the other one, but still, it's like red, red, red. Oh my goodness. Yep, they want 25 grand out the door. Then this next one we're going into is 56,000. If you're gonna finance it, it's $419 a month. I don't know about that. Up and down, more stairs. Shit brown. Poop brown. Big ass TV. I can feel it being cheap. There it is, 56 grand for this big pig. But this is something, again, you're dropping it somewhere at a RV park for a month at a time. You drop it, or 2 or 3 at a time, and you live out of this and go play golf and do whatever. So, but get it looked at before you leave. Bigger these things are, more behaviors you got. Yep. The vintage cruiser.
The vintage models are actually built solid. So you got the aluminum frame construction, you got the vacuum illuminated walls and everything.
There you go.
You have one fiberglass cap that starts at the bumper.
Yeah, they do look like they're solid. One here. See, this is all about. Not bad. Ugly, but it's not bad. This one is $35,000. Not bad. Not bad. You know that. Storage area in the back here. No. I'll just say, hey, take all this stuff out. And it could be my mudroom, whatever. So, not bad. I guess this could be a plausible one for 35 grand out the door. Not that I'm going to buy it, but you get my point. Look out. Hit your head here, cowboy. Oh. Oh. Outside sink and got you with water and little grill right there. Sale includes freight destination charges, battery, propane, full deal prep. Okay. That's the same thing, that one. That's out, you can sit out here and watch TV and cook. Nice. This one is only 27. Let's see. Let's see. Not bad. Yep. This was one of my favorites because that's my storage area right there. Refrigerator. Nice shower. Yeah. I like this one. Very nice. Nice big bed. Yeah. Watch some TV. TV's over there. Not bad. I like you. Not bad. That's good. I like that one. I'd take the beds out of the corner and be my storage area.
Sure.
That's what I would do. That's what I would use it for, my storage area.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of people do that with the
Yep.
bunks.
Yep.
Enjoy the sports show.
Thanks.
This is another bunkhouse, but now you get another slide.
Oh, okay. Cool.
There's some room left.
All right. Oh, but it's got a slide. Yeah, so again, same kind of thing. This one is 21,000. Not bad. 21. More again, these are pull out, but still nice. I like it. Likey. I don't know if it's got a slide or not, but I don't know. Nice. TV's up in the corner there. You want one? Obviously you do. So yeah. Not bad. Uh-huh. Hell yeah. I like it. It's nice. Not bad. Cherokee Nation will return. Huge stuff here. Some of these stuff is just big. There's so much on here. I can only look at so much. I mean, I can't go with everything. Look at this big pig right here. That big bass, a bighorn. I like this grill on the outside here. It's nice. Nice. Oh, this one I think is more of a haul stuff in the back. Oh, nice. A little different. Not bad. Anyways, not bad. 26,000. Acceptable. But again, when you're doing this behavior, it all depends on what you want it for and how much you're going to use it. So anyways, relax a little bit and sit down and relax. So anyways, guys, see you in the next one.